Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up a Firestick remote. Let's go. If you can control the TV, open the settings, controllers, Amazon Fire TV remotes. Add new remote. Press and hold home button for 10 seconds. If you cannot control the TV, open the remote control and remove the batteries. Restart the Fire Stick. Install the batteries in the remote control. Hold down the home button. Release when the remote control flashes blue. Open Settings, Display and Sounds. Turn on HDMI CEC. Open TV Settings. Turn on HDMI CEC. Open Equipment Control. Manage Equipment. TV. Change TV. Follow the on-screen instructions. Done. That's it. Now you know how to set up a Fire Stick remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.